All right. What a beautiful day. So, it's been snowing, it's been freezing, it's been raining, then freezing, and now raining again, and now we got a muddy mess out here. This is our first nice day in 2 weeks. So I haven't got crap done. So I apologize, but there ain't much I'm going to be able to do because it's going to get dark here shortly, but I figure I'd start getting all the wires unhooked, the wire loom and the headlights, push them all back off of here. So we need to get this front grille and support off. And then we need to get everything off this firewall or fender well. Get all that off of there, get this fender off. And then we need to start taking the saw and start cutting all that out. Same with over here. Start trimming all that out. And then we need to cut that whole cab off. And then just flip that dude off of there. Yeah, I wish I had more time in the day. I wish I could make this a career. Maybe one of these years. For now, I can work on a little bit here and there. Like old Dustin Slay says, we're having a good time. Hey, I also want to say thank you to one of my viewers. Got me a set of Milwaukee screwdrivers. Nice little set. And I also got some Milwaukee markers. These will come in handy. That would have been nice when I was drawing out our window stuff. But cool, appreciate it. Thank you. I'm always up for free stuff. Helps me out. Alright, cool. Let's get to work. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention I'm helping Zoe. She got our old trailer that we used to live in back in the day, and we are completely remodeling it. So that is what I'm doing on the weekends. We're trying to get it a little bit done at a time, and since it's been crappy outside, we've been working in there. All right, let's get some of this crap off of here. Alright, it's going to be kind of hard for you guys to see what I'm doing. But basically I need to unhook all these connections. Just unbolt everything. Get everything off this fender well. Like we got a ground strap here. Or a little one. But I'm hoping to reuse all this wiring on the milk truck. That's my plan. So I really don't want to go around cutting everything with the saw right now. We're going to try to use as much as we can. Saves time and money. Probably going to order some headers for this. That way that old milk truck sounds mean. Thanks again for the Milwaukee screwdrivers. We're going to use them right now. We don't have to mess with the battery bracket because it's rusted off. So it's not attached, so we don't need that no more. What else we got hooked up? I think that's it. Take our bolts off of here. Oh, I need to unbolt the down here. We got to get these bolts off for the battery tray. Looks like maybe a 10 millimeter. Yeah. Usually I use my impact on a lot of this stuff, my DeWalt impact. But like I said, Zoe and I are working on her house, her new house, remodeling it. Zoe's my daughter, in case you don't know. So, helping her remodel our old trailer, and all my tools are over there. We got them bolts out. Sorry I'm breathing heavy. That weather really messed me up. I'm all stuffed up, can't breathe. So I'm always doing that. I apologize. Can't breathe. Come on, baby. Oh, no, not the Milwaukee screwdriver. This has got to come off, I think. Yeah, it's attached to the fender. Be nice to have an impact right now. Then we'll just... Yeah, I wish I had more content for you guys. So, when it snows, I don't get to have fun when it snows. I used to love the snow. Now I work at a job where it snows, I'm out working in it. Sucks. The job's good. It just sucks having to... I don't get to play in the snow no more. I don't get snow days. So when it's snowing and I'm at work, I don't really have time to work on anything. And then when I do get home, I'm too damn tired to do anything. I know, shouldn't make excuses, but I can't wait till spring. Alright, we're getting closer. I don't know if I should take this. Yeah, I probably need to take all this, unbolt all this. He says. It'd be kind of nice to keep this support, have all the support system for the other truck, but I think it's going to be too wide. So if I get this fender unhooked, I should be able to just unbolt that bolt, and then over here should be able to get that bolt, get these two body mounts off right here, this support should come off, right? I think so. Then we can keep all this together and mess with it later. If we want to use it for the milk truck, we can. Yeah, I bet that's all we got to do. So we just got to get this other fender off, which I still had more bolts to take off on the fender. So it would have been, looks like it would have been this one and this one for the fender and this one, but we just broke it off. We'll probably do the same thing. Take the old saw after it right here. Meow. Because we're not using these fenders. What do we need down here? I think there's a bolt. Where did I see it? I know there was a bolt in here somewhere. You guys see it? Oh, there's one right there. So that's for the fender, and then there'll be one down here. Oh, we'll get them two off. I think they're, are they 13 millimeter? Or the old 13 millimeter? That's not bad. Usually they're all rusty right here. This fender's actually in good shape. About the doors and the fender, about the only thing good on this truck. The rest of it's all rusted out. All right. Let's get this fender off. Do this bottom one here. Oh, it's probably gonna end up breaking. Probably gonna end up breaking. Yeah, I can feel it breaking. Something's breaking. Oh. Is it just spinning now? Got awful easy. Okay. Yeah, it broke. May have to take the old saw. Alright, believe it or not, that's a 10 millimeter. So, if you ever have to take this out, 10 millimeter. I get a long extension. Break that dude loose. Come on, baby. There we go. Easy peasy. Oh. All these damn. Alright, so I forgot. There's I think it's a 7 millimeter along your fender well. I gotta get that off. Oh, it's really small. Okay. 7/32. Ooh, we got a crease in that. Missed one. Don't worry, this will buff right out. Let me go get the saw. Well, I totally forgot. Remember me telling you I've been working on the other house? On my daughter's other house, we've been working on it. Well, all my tools are over there. And I forgot my damn DeWalt saw there. So, we got the old electric. Extension cord came out just enough. So, let's get her cut off. Alright, there's one fender off. Alright guys, let's check that out. So, if anybody wants it, $50. You can have it for 50 bucks. Or is that a 5.0? I don't know. Used to be a F-350. Now it's just a 50. It's slowly getting smaller and smaller. I'm kind of keeping the hood on just to keep the rain out of it for now. Since, like you know, I can only work on this a little at a time. Like I said, it's not a full-time job yet. Maybe in a couple years. Well, now it's getting dark again. Well, shoot. What else can I do? There ain't much else I can do. Dagnabbit. Alright, guys. So frustrating. Just when you get to working, you gotta stop working. So, we're getting there a little at a time. See, I need to get this. Pulled off. I'll get that unbolted. It's just a couple of bolts. Guess the next thing to do is, yeah, I could cut that support, because I bet it's all rusted up. I could cut that support there and there with the saw since it's already out, and then that whole support will come out. Yeah, let's do that. Now the blade's not in the greatest shape. I probably need to go see if I can got a new blade. I guess I can see if the impact can I can bring out the air, and we can use the air impact on it maybe. See what size it is. Sucks, it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. You can never get a break. Alright, air impact. Alright, for shits and giggles. It ain't happening. We'll have to find a new blade. Try the other side. Well, pooey. All I could find was this little guy here, but 6 inches. Hey, get your mind out of the gutter. Hey, I was always told, just as long as you know how to use it, you'll be fine. There you go. I don't know if it's going to work. Actually, you know what? I brought my breaker bar out. Let's try the breaker bar first. Let's see, counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, which way? Away from me. Away from me. Come on, get on there. Yeah. Oh. Huh. I guess that'll work too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude. That dude just snapped right off. Okay. She's loose now. Let's go to the other side. Try it. Alright, counterclockwise. Towards me now. Oh, something broke. Something broke. Let's try the impact now. Reverse. Oh, ow, my damn knee. There we go. Another broken one. Hey, we didn't have to use that new, 6-inch saw blade. Okay. That dude, front core is ready to come out. I'm running out of daylight. So we will do this on another day, because I still got to unhook my coolant line. I got to capture all that radiator fluid so it don't just pour on the ground. Got to unhook the transmission cooler, and then that whole thing should come off. We'll probably keep it together for now, and then we're ready to start coming back here and start cutting. I really need to come over here to the milk truck, figure out how to get these fenders off. I have a feeling I'm going to end up having to take a saw or something to cut those, because I was looking at them, they are all rusted up pretty good. But I think what I'm going to do is weld the hood and the fenders together and make a flip tilt front end. I haven't decided yet, still debating. We got a long ways to go and a short time to get there. Wait, is that a song? I don't know. Alright guys, I'm going to clean up my mess, get all my tools put up, get all this crap, because it is getting dark and it is about to rain. Alright guys, remember, keep it cheap and easy. Thanks for being patient with me. Peace out. Signing off.